In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 11 nightlight not working. If your screen stubbornly stays cool and bluish, even when you expect a warmer tint in the evening, this quick walkthrough will help you get nightlight back on track using Windows 11's built-in settings. First, open the Settings app. The fastest way is to press the Windows key and the letter I together on your keyboard. That brings you straight into the main settings window, where you can adjust system preferences without digging through menus. Once you're in Settings, click on System. This is the hub for display, sound, notifications, power, and more. From here, select Display. The display page is where Windows manages brightness, color, and any features that affect how your screen looks and feels. Near the top of the display page, look for the Nightlight option. This feature reduces blue light by applying a warm color temperature, which can make evening use easier on your eyes. Turn on the Nightlight switch. When it engages, you should see your screen take on a slightly warmer, amber tone. If you don't notice a change immediately, don't worry. We're about to check the detailed settings to make sure Nightlight isn't waiting on a schedule. Click Nightlight to open its dedicated settings. Here you'll see options related to how and when Nightlight turns on. If Nightlight has been set to run only during certain hours or to follow sunset and sunrise, it may appear not working during times when it's scheduled to be off. To refresh the scheduling logic, turn off Schedule Nightlight, wait a moment, and then turn it back on. This simple toggle can clear minor glitches and reapply Windows time rules for Nightlight. Whether you prefer a fixed schedule or the sunset to sunrise option, toggling the schedule off and on helps Windows redetect the current time and apply the warm tint when it should. After re-enabling the schedule, give your screen a second to adjust. If it's currently within your scheduled hours, you should see the warmer tone right away. If it isn't, remember that Nightlight will wait until the set time to activate. Also, keep in mind that very low brightness or bright ambient lighting can make the effect less noticeable. That's it. By opening Settings, navigating to System and Display, turning on Nightlight, and refreshing the schedule, you can resolve most cases where Nightlight seems stuck or unresponsive. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get a more comfortable viewing experience on Windows 11.